Hi, welcome to Hardware Info. Now I'm going to show you how to change the password from admin panel on your ACER Connect X6E. So basically it's very easy to do. Firstly, you should you should open the admin panel. If you don't know how to do that, I showed all ways to open admin panel, how to reset the password if you forget, and other issues explained, so you can watch our video about it. But now, to change the password, you should open System, then click on Login and Password tab, and here you can enter your current password and confirm twice new one, and click Apply. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.